the turf fire low. At the break of an Irish morn, you held my hand, you shaped my heart. From the day that I was born, when the road ran hard and the nights grew long, you stood your sacred ground in every loss and every prayer. Your love was what I found. Oh, mother of mine, my anchor, my light, my home when the world wasn't kind. If I stray too far or lose my way, it's your love I always find. Through wind and rain, through all my time, no truer love will I ever find. God bless the hands that carried me, mother of mine. If heaven calls and I'm asked my prayer, I'll speak your name in time. For all I am and all I'll be begins with you, mother of mine. Oh, mother of mine, my anchor, my light, my prayer from dawn till the dead of night. If heaven calls when my voice is gone, let this be the sign that love like yours is a holy thing, and it shaped this life's hard times. I'll carry it home when my life song ends and say, God bless you.